Okay, y'all, it's, yeah, I said y'all. It's A21 Bravo. I just want to let you guys know that I'm in the process of moving right now to a new place. But the garage is bigger, so that's good. That's a plus. But the bad thing is I'm going to be moving, so I'm going to be busy, and I'm probably not going to have a computer for a little while, so I might not be uploading as much. I have a few videos that I'm going to show you right after this message. But just so you know, I'm still going to be doing my thing for you guys, for myself, for whoever. So just keep watching. I'm still around. Just preoccupied, but not for long. Okay, and one more thing. You guys are probably going to enjoy these videos. The car was having a very good day on this day. I don't know what happened. I don't know what it was. But I decided to do a demo with one of my friends, and my car was just like having a seizure. It was ridiculous. So I'm gonna share that with you guys. It'll be my Chrysler 300 booty shake video. So.
Thanks for that one. Yeah, kind of jumped a little bit.
Yeah.
Yep. My hair was everywhere.
Yeah.
Yep.
Chrysler booty shake. Hell yeah.
Welcome to DB Jams Volume 12, the official CD of DB Drag Racing.